Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get explosives in Vrising. So in order to do that, first of all we'll need to get the boss and simply open your blood altar and right here get to the Clive, the fire starter. Click track blood and now follow the blood mist from where it's coming from, and you can also go for the map, and he should be right here in the bandit Sulfur Quarry. Simply go there and defeat him. Also a quick tip, you should get the sulfur ore, there will be lots of it right there, so simply gather it right there. After you kill him and go back to your castle, you'll be able to build the Alchemy Table. Press B, then go for the crafting and search for Alchemy Table. It's right here. It requires 100 blood essence, 16 planks and 12 sulfur. And in order to actually get the sulfur, sorry for that. In order to get the sulfur, we'll need to go to our furnace, open it right here, put all your sulfur inside like this, and then it will craft the normal sulfur. Let's take it out, and we'll also need some wheatstone. We can move to our alchemy table, which I already built. It's right here. Press F and find minor explosive box. So in order to craft it, you need 8 sulfur, 8 planks and 4 whetstone. So I need to get planks as well. Let me get to my the sawmill, sorry. Alchemy table, minor explosive box. Simply click on it and it will start crafting. It takes about 40 seconds to craft. We can wait for that process, then place the explosive, and just to show you how to actually ignite it. So, and also minor explosive will allow you to break big rock piles like minerals and stuff like that, and yield resources from it, because you can also break them with your bear form if you transform into a bear and press the Q button. That way you'll be also able to break the big rock formations, but it will not yield any resources. So now right now we have our big explosive. Let's move out. I'm gonna place it somewhere here, not to damage my castle. We can actually also test it if it damages any of your stuff. So place it right here, for example. You place it like any other block, but you don't need to have a castle place to build it. Simply press it, damage it, and then jump away because it deals the damage. Then it will blow up, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.